Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we will be showing you how to screen record on an iPhone or iPad. Now while we are doing this on an iPhone, it will be exactly the same process to do it on an iPad. Now let's go ahead and get started. So first, unlock your device. Then you're going to go to Settings. You're going to scroll down to Control Center right underneath General. And you'll see this list of things that says included controls. Now this will be here automatically. If you have a small device, you'll swipe up. Now if you have a big device, you will do the upper right corner. And actually I'm not sure it's based on size, it might be based on whether or not you have a button. And these are your control center commands. And these are the things that are already on it. So if you scroll down, you'll see you will have access to all of these things that you can just add to it. Here you see this screen recording. You can go ahead and add it, and you can see it's been added to the list. Now we can go home, and if you swipe up, you will see there is now an option with a solid circle inside of a thin circle. And if you go ahead and press it, it'll count down, and then you can close it, and then you will see this red bar across the top to tell you that you're recording. Then you can go ahead and do whatever you want. Like for instance, to send someone a tutorial video on how to add screen recording, you'll go to Control Center, and then you can show them that they can remove it or add it, like that. And then when you're done, all you have to do is press the red bar, and it'll say screen recording, stop screen recording, and then you can press stop. And then it will be in your Photos app, right here. And you can see here, it's the video that I recorded of me doing the recording of this. I do believe that is the end of our video. So let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next time, and we will go ahead and catch you guys later.